Hola, Kirkjan. My topic is all about investigation, outdoor features, the process with the unknowns, including the facilities, the process, the drive from the illegal trafficking and dangerous drugs, and for precursors and essential chemicals. Investigation and for features is of audit or instruments of the unlawful action. For feature is kanang kuha sa instruments, kanang kabahin sa drugs, tapos kanang paggamit sa illegal nga mga activities, kanang vehicle, o mga instruments na related sa unlawful act. Mo nang ma-confiscate sa government. So, ang government may ma-tipo sana. So, every United States supposed for the unlawful importation, trading, administration, distribution, delivery, distribution, transportation, or manufacture of any dangerous drugs or controlled precursor and essential chemicals. B. Cultivation of culture of lands which are source of dangerous drugs and the possession of any equipment, instrument, apparatus, and other paraphernalia for dangerous drugs, including other laboratory equipment, shall carry with it the confiscation. And for features in favor of the government, all the proceeds and properties derived from the unlawful act, including but not limited to money and other assets obtained thereby, and the instrument or tool with which the particular unlawful act was committed, unless they are the property of the third person not liable for unlawful act. So, next one is non-applicability of the pollution law for drug traffickers and pushers. Any person convicted from drug trafficking or pushing under this act regarding the privilege imposed by the court not avail of the privilege granted by the pollution law. Presidential Decree number 968 as amended. So, ang mga drug traffickers and pushers, dili sila maka-avail of provision because kung maka-avail sila provision, di ba ang provision is nagkuhan kasi yung sentence, nalakas inyong community. So, dili na siya pwede kay once kung nagagamit ka drugs, decide, nagka-serve kasi yung sentence kung nalakas sa inyong community, kasi namin kasabutan, dili kaya mo malipian nga take nila po drugs. So, ako na kasabutan niya. Mo nang dili avail privilege sa provision so ang mga drug traffickers and pushers. Qualifying aggravating circumstances in the commission of the crime by an offender under the influence of dangerous drug. So, kaning qualifying aggravating circumstances, so, patasan ang iyang kaso or ang years. Kay, ang dangerous drugs, ang about sa drugs na gani, is a serious offense. Muna siya ang ipakawalan niya qualifying aggravating circumstances. So, attempt or conspiracy to commit certain act shall be penalized by the same penalty prescribed for the commission of the same in the following cases. So, katong attempt or conspiracy, katong mga kasabot-sabot pa lang na mo buhat ng mga illegal activities, pwede na siya ma-penalize. Okay, padulong na siya sa negative impact sa community. So, A. Importation of any dangerous drugs for control precursor as essential chemicals. So, pang-gamit sa vehicle, transport sa dangerous drugs. B. Sale, trading, administration, dispensation, delivery, distribution, and transportation of any dangerous drug for controlled precursor and essential. C. Maintenance of the den, dive, or resort where the dangerous drug is used in uniform. So, itong mga balay, sa mga sa ilang drugs. D. Manufactured of any dangerous drug for controlled precursor and essential chemicals. Asa ang kuan, ikan, asa gama. Cultivation of culture of plants which are source of dangerous drugs. So, kanang pagtanom ng mga kuan, sampo ng marijuana. That's all. Thank you.